Lisa Briggs of the Brewers Company is here answering your plant and garden questions. The number is 608-270-9933. Brought a little holiday with you?
It is. It's almost Thanksgiving, so we can start talking about the other big winter holiday, Christmas.
You had a point set on last week.
I did. I don't care. It's always Christmas as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, we've got lots of nice greens at the garden center, and be pretty on your Thanksgiving
That'd
table.
be a nice gift if you're going somewhere.
Yes, and if you are, indoor plant challenged, this is a very good option.
All right, let's get to the phones. We'll start with Judy from Rock Springs. Hi, Judy. What's your question?
Yes, I have a trumpet vine that is growing up a tree. Will that eventually kill the tree?
Is it a big tree, Judy, or something new that you just planted?
It's a big tree.
It'll be fine. Trumpet vines are twining vines. They don't stick on anything, and they don't twine super tight. So it's kind of like wisteria. As long as the tree is able to support it, meaning it's a big tree, it'll be fine.
Well, right now the vine is probably about 2 stories high.
Yeah, they will get really big.
Yes, interesting. All right. Patty from Fitchburg. Hi, Patty. What's your question?
Hi. I have a very large climbing philodendron plant, and it climbs on like a cedar post.
Sure.
And it's kind of outgrown its post. So what do I do now?
Well, you can always get a bigger post and kind of loosely attach it without squishing the plant as it's stuck on the old post, and then you just extend the post. And you can do that now, but you might want to wait till spring and do a repot and a repost all at the same time. Growth is going to really slow down now that the days are short, so it probably won't be doing much more growing this year.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. Thank you for calling.
You're welcome.
All right, Karen in Madison. Hi, Karen.
Hello, Lisa. I called you a few weeks ago about these white bugs on my hibiscus plant, and you suggested, I had tried a bunch of sprays. You suggested these BioGuard spikes, which I got and put into it. And then, of course, now that it's gotten cold, I brought them in the house.
Sure.
And I've got these little white bugs flying all over my house.
Oh.
Should I just pitch them?
Karen, they have a really short lifespan, so if you can get rid of the eggs and the larvae that are in the soil,
Which is those spikes do?
which is what the spikes are doing, the insects themselves will live only a few days. What you have to do is stop the life cycle, the laying eggs and that kind of thing. They might also be fungus gnats if the plant has been in the pot for a while. So you might want, if the spikes aren't doing it, you might want to get some mosquito bits, and that might help as well. A little bit
I'll
faster.
try that.
Okay.
I shouldn't pitch them yet?
No, don't pitch them yet.
All right. Keep us posted.
Thank you.
Let's go to Carrie in Jefferson. Hi, Carrie.
Howdy. Did you say, Carrie, we had a little...
Yeah, go ahead, Carrie.
Oh, okay. Question on pruning and bridal wreath bushes. We have 3 or 4 huge bridal wreath bushes just off the front porch. And about 3 years ago, they were getting a little wild, a little too tall. So all I did was prune the top of them. I didn't take anything off the sides, just the top. And I did it right after they got done blossoming, which is what I was always told to do.
Sure.
Okay, the following year, are huge, beautiful bridal wreath bushes. They had beautiful blossoms all over the sides of the bush and nothing on the top where I had pruned. So now I've been scared stiff to ever take the pruner to them again.
All right, Carrie,
and the bushes are starting to overtake the house.
Carrie, we're running out of time. I'm going to put you on hold, and Lisa will talk to you off the air.
I will.
Okay, you're on hold. Good enough. If you're on the line, stay there. Lisa will talk to you off the air.